Hi, andito si nanay. What is lupus? Join Hope for Lupus chapter near you. Lupus. What else can I do? Hope in you. Healthy habits to start today. Ito yung mga may lupus, oh. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng lupus? Hindi ko nga alam yan lupus. More hope, lupus. Ano ba yung lupus? Hope lupus. Support for people with lupus is very important. Hindi ko nga alam ang lupus. Hope lupus. Ano ba ang sakit na lupus? Sakit sa dugo? Class education. Mouth sore. Lupus. Lupus may be difficult. Lupus may be difficult to diagnose because the sign and symptom of the illness. Lupus is a facial rash that resembles the wings of a butterfly unfolding across both cheek known as malar rash. Lupus is more widespread than lupus kaya ito. Yung kamay ng lupus. Pag may lupus ka, ganyan pala ang lupus. Mouth sores. Lupus. Ganyan pala yung lupus. Parang pala mo may bacteria. Arthritis or joint pain. Lupus. Oo, no. Majority of the patients usually exhibit symptoms between their 20s to 40s, but children and the elderly can also have lupus. Lupus is common in young women. Around 9 to 10 adults living with lupus are women, but men can also have lupus. Pambabae lang pala. Pambabae lang pala yung lupus. Who usually gets lupus is more common in young women. Around 9 to 10 adults living with lupus are women. Oh, so may puro babae pala ang may lupus. Ito, kung gusto niyo mag-donate, oh, share your thoughts. Help by donating. Send us a message. Visit our website www.hopeforlupus.ph. Ayan, there are presently over 200 rheumatologists in the country. Please visit rheumatology o sa mga matatanda https rheumatologyph.org search pages to look for one in an area near you. Hope Lupus. Remember, there are medicine that used to control the symptom of lupus. Ayan. Ayan. To make the patient feel well and even induce remission, as if lupus is not there and as if the patient is not sick. These may be taken by mouth or can be injected. It will be prescribed by the doctor once a diagnosis of lupus is made. It is important to avoid self-medicating and use alternative medicine without clearing with your doctor first, because this may potentially do more harm than good. Best advice. Oh, ito, best advice sa mga may lupus. Yan. Lupus develop in genetically predisposed individuals when exposed to a trigger. If you know someone who has symptoms, encourage him/her to consult a rheumatologist, a specialist of lupus and arthritis. If there is none in the area, it is good to consult internist, family practitioner, or other specialists who will guide them to the proper medical facility and practitioner. To look for a rheumatologist near you, search http www.rheumatology.org /search page. Okay. Ito, ganda ng gawa nila, Lupus Garden. Mom. M-O-M. Mom. Ang ganda ng gawa nila, garden. Yan. I love you, Mom. Sige. Picture tayo. Ayan. Picture. Sige, kayo na po. I love you, mom. Ang ganda ng kanya ng yan. Ang ganda ng kanilang garden, Lupus Garden. Ganda ng Lupus Garden niya. Pero maganda yung aking mukha ngayon. Ito na naman tayo. What do you feel when you have lupus? Lupus is challenging not just to patient but also to physician. It's not very easy to diagnose because of its diversity. It can present in many different ways depending on the involved part of the body. Joint pains, weakness, shortness of breath, muscle pains. What is lupus? Systematic lupus erythematosus or lupus is a lifelong illness wherein the body immune system, which is supposed to protect it from infection and disease, turns on itself and attack the body cells and organs. Inaatake ng bali yung lupus, inaatake ng sarili niyang immune system yung katawan. Diba? So, is there a cure for lupus? Much like most other chronic illnesses such as hypertension and diabetes, there is no known cure for lupus. However, it can be managed and controlled with proper timely treatment. Many patients with lupus have excellent chance of living healthy and normal lives. The common symptoms. Ito yung common symptoms ng lupus. One, some, or all of these may occur in people with lupus. 1. Anemia. So, pag lupus ka, may tendency ka magkaroon ng anemia, kidney problem, shortness of breath, achy or painful joints, tapos fever without a known cause, unexplained fatigue, feeling very tired, rashes, especially across the cheeks and bridge of nose, usually caused by sun exposure, excessive hair loss and balding, nakakalbo, frequent mouth ulcer, singaw, fingers that turn white, blue with cold exposure. So pag na-expose sa lamig, yung finger nagiging blue or white. Ito na yung frequent mouth ulcer, singaw. Ayan, pag may lupus, may singaw. Ito, rashes. Ayan, pag may lupus, may rashes. Bloated stomach due to kidney problem. Ayan. bloated stomach due to kidney problem. Moon face. Moon face. Nag-moon face. Ayan ang mga moon face. Oh. Tumataba yung mga pisngi. Alopecia, excessive hair loss, and balding. Ayan. Alopecia. Painful joints. Ayan, masasakit na mga joints. So, mahirap pala magkaroon ng lupus, ano? Kasi nakita nyo, yung katulad niyan, parang may rayuma ka. Parang ka nirarayuma. Tapos yung kidney mo, may failure sa kidney. Tapos may mga rashes ka. Rashes, oh. Oh. Ang lalaking mga rashes. Diba? Akala mo na ano lang yan, na nakagat lang ng mga, ang tawag dyan, yung garapatang aso. Ayan, oh, kidney failure, oh. Nag-bloat yung ano. Yan ang balding. Oh, nag-moon face, bloated stomach, rashes, ulcer, mouth ulcer, singaw. Pag may lupus. Ayan. How do I know if I have lupus? A set of laboratory tests can determine whether one might have lupus. A rheumatologist can help one with identifying which test to take. The diagnosis of lupus has improved greatly in the past decades due to several factors that includes increased awareness of the condition, well-defined diagnostic criteria, and highly specific laboratory tests for the disease. What else can I do to help and avoid lupus symptoms and complications? You are already diagnosed with lupus. Practice sun protection. Dapat di ka pala magpapaaraw. Try to stay out of the sun. Use an umbrella. Apply sunscreen with at least SPF 50. Try to get a good number of hours of sleep at night. Try to avoid stressful environments. Stress has been found to worsen lupus symptoms and trigger flakes. So, hanggang dito na lang tayo mga bibi. Nai-discuss ko na sa inyo lahat tungkol sa lupus. Kasi ano ngayon Mother's Day. So, babush, mga junakis, babush.